bring it to me. Yeah, bring it to me. All right, keep going. All right, stop. Lift the things back up.
To make sure this bitch is square, even though I know it ain't about to be fucking square. It's all pushed in right here, and then I fucked the cut up as well, as you see. But hell yeah, man. Shit, I'm gonna slap that bitch on. Damn, that thing looks like shit. God damn. Trying to get everything cleaned the fuck up, man. Put some real ugly welds on here, so you know I had to grind them down. Damn, that bitch is hot. That bitch was already bowed as fuck. Had it pressed down on that, putting pressure, and it was straight, but of course it just sprung right back. Sprung right back into position, dog. Yeah, that bitch is bowed, but he only uses it for like trees and yeah, he's a tree dude. Yeah, he cuts down trees. That's all he really uses it for. But yeah, I mean, they're okay. Kind of shitty. What's going on there, bud? Damn, man. Gloop Central. But hey, man, this motherfucker ain't going nowhere. See, it's alright. It just, it ain't got no, it ain't alright, okay? It ain't alright. That shit is ass. But hey, it got the fucking job done. New motherfucking blade on that bitch. Hell, fuck yeah, dog. Yeah. Coming at you live and direct. It's the P, motherfucking man. That's the old fucking blade. New one. Old versus new. Damn, that bitch is fucked up. We got it cleaned up and yeah, about to head back to the house. Got paid big time, baby. Big money, baby. About to buy you some Robux, huh? Bet you want some Robux, little man. Well, too damn bad. Peace out, man. Like and subscribe. Tell him, like and subscribe. Whatever, man. Hater. He's mad he's just mad because he deleted his YouTube on accident and he had like 10,000 subscribers.
I got it back.
Oh, he got it back, but hey, he deleted it.